Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study the chapter regarding factorization of polynomial function. In this chapter we are going to discuss three of the main factors, that is factorization, remainder theorem and factor theorem, including factorization of a cubic polynomial. So we have already discussed about the polynomials thoroughly in the previous video, and in this chapter we are going to learn about the factorization of the expressions of different types. So here I am going to explain the various types of expressions using polynomial and factorization, so you will understand inshallah ta'ala. And let's begin. This is the type 1. Here you can see an expression is written with the combination of variables, coefficients, and the operations, sign of operations, right? So here you can see that 5 is repeating. So we are taking it out as a common and dividing all the terms one by one with this 5. We will get 5a upon 5. It will gives you a 5a. Similarly here from 5 cancelled, so b, and here 5 cancelled, so c left. So this is the type 1. This is the second type. In this second type, here we have 5, 5 and 15. So taking 5 as common again, it will be only a minus here b, and 15c divided by 5, it will be 3c. So this is the second type. Easy na? Here we have an expression having 4 terms altogether. So we are dividing it and separate. We will first separate it and then we will divide it, so that in order to find the factors. So here the 3 as common, writing it out, x minus a and bracket close. Here you can see xy minus ay. So we will write plus y as common. So if we divide this first, this term by y, it will be only x minus ay divided by y, it will be a. So x minus a and x minus a both are common, so writing the common first, it will be then all the factors, remaining factors, 3 plus y. This is the final answer. This is how this type of questions can be solved. Here we have an expression written with this. Of course it's a polynomial, and here we are going to see that we are going to make the factors, how to make the factors out of it. First of all, 25x square, 25 is the square of 5, so writing it as like this, and this is 16, so we are arranging it first. Here 16 can be written as 4 square. So what is over here a, and this is my b. We know that very well, the a plus b the whole square is the formula, and it expands as twice of ab plus b square. So similar manner we are going to arrange it in such a way in order to get this contracted form. So a is 5x and b is 4, so twice of 5x and b is 4 plus, if you multiply we'll get the answer as 40x. 2 5s are 10 and 10 4 times is 40 and x. So after this you can write it as 5x a plus b. This is the whole term I have obtained already here. Now it is equals to a plus b the whole square. So my a is 5x plus b is 4. So I'm going to write it like this, and this is the final answer. These sort of questions can be solved easily by using this very formula. Next we have 4x square minus this x square, this term square. You can see that it is very similar to this, which is equals to x minus y plus x plus y, right? A square minus b square formula. So what I'm going to do is to make it like a square. I can write it like this, minus, this is already in the form of this. I'm writing this z like with a bar in between, because in order to distinguish it by number 2. So a square minus b square, I'm just writing it 2x minus 2y minus z bracket, and a minus b, a plus b, 2x plus 2y minus z, done. A minus b, a plus b, this is my final answer. In order to factorize this, I'm using this formula of difference of square formula. This is my final answer. Now here you can see that here we have some kind of formula and 1 as well. So I am writing it like this, and this is the simple formula, twice of ab minus a square minus b square. So to make it possible to contract it in the form of formula, I'm going to take the minus sign as common. So minus sign as common will be giving me minus twice of a, positive a square, positive b square, and bracket close. So I can arrange it, a square plus b square minus twice of ab. Now you can see that it's a simple formula of a plus b, a minus b the whole square, done. Since I know that, this is complete formula is written over here, right? So considering it 1 square is equals to 1 multiplied by 1, giving you 1. So leaving no effect on 1, I can consider it as, and I can write it like this, 1 square minus a minus b square, the whole square. So here this is my a square, this is my b square. I'm expanding it like a minus b, a plus b form, this difference of square formula. 1 minus a minus b in bracket, this is a minus b, and this is my 1 plus a minus b. This is the final answer of such kind of questions. These are the various types we are using in this very chapter. Inshallah ta'ala, I will explain you the remainder theorem and further more examples of related to the polynomials. I hope that you have understood the different kinds of factorization in this video. Inshallah ta'ala, will come with the next terms of polynomials. Meanwhile, you just leave the comment if you have any kind of query regarding the above mentioned equations. Allah Hafiz.